Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Look, I want to talk about something extremely excited. Today I watched some video and I decided that I have to talk about this video. And what is that video is power of desire. And what is this and what's a desire means? I think I have to tell about desire to you that if we think we have a small desire everyone can fulfill it. Everyone have a desire to eat some dosa, then they can eat dosa. But if someone have a desire to make a millions, to make a good achievement, to get good achievement, then they have to do effort. If you have a desire to eat a dosa, then you have to take some little effort. But you have a desire to do something extraordinary, to make a millions, that your life began to comfortable, then you have to take a long effort, big effort, and you have to become stronger extremely with your inner. If you have a desire to doing something extraordinary, then you have to take a big effort, big to achieve a big desire. And that this is the reality of life. And you have to do one other things with this, that take some little bit of humanity. You can say yourself that you have to do something for others. That means you are in the right pathway. And if you face some setbacks, failures, that means you are on the right path. Because if you don't face failure, setback, how will you learn? Impossible. If you fail, you learn from this failure. If you get setback, you wake up and say, I can do. I am not give up at any cost. I will not give up any cost, because this is the life. I have to cheer up my life. I have to fulfill my potential. I have to utilize my all willing desire. This is the power of desire, willingness. If you have a desire, if you have a big desire, and first of all, you have to plant good seeds in your mind. How will it possible? Just making some sensible about it. If you we all spend all our time in internet, and that's why we our mind become stuck on the in the internet, and they began to think like internet. Which video is come, I have to see this. Which video will come, I have to see. And which type of video I have to see. What is this? This is not type of intelligence. You have to create something extraordinary, then you have to take effort. And all humanity can do, if they are ready to learn, if they are seeker, only they can learn. And if you fixed in your mind that no, I can't do, then your mind repeat it. You can't do, and result is in front of you. You can't do. If you repeat, you can do. Why not? If some people do, why not? If some people born with special identity, special, you can say special talent. No, there is no different in you and other people. They, we all are at the same level. The basic cheese, the basic fundamental is that our mindset. First of all, we have to change our mindset. We have to think in the long term. And how it will be possible? Just reading a book of good author, and listening some good audio speaker. And you can say that I have a right pathway, I have a long vision. and you have to keep patience through all this journey. And this is the reality. If you get fail, it's okay. This is reality. You have to accept it. If you don't get fail, you can't learn. And this is the power of desire. If you if you put your all effort in to achieve a good achievement, that means you are at the right pathway. And forget about all people whispering about you. Forget about this. These are people, and there is no fault in their people, in these people, because this is the conditioning. And if you want to change your condition, then you have to change your mindset, and mindset is most important. Yes. And today it is enough to talking about a power of desire. Tomorrow I will talk about more about power of desire. And I'm woman, and I'm just a homemaker, and I just want to create my own self, extraordinary ordinary. I want to explore myself. I want to become a new version of myself. That's why I want to learn something new daily. And this is my quote. You can say. Thank you so much.